In this video, I'll show you how to convert a video into a cartoon using Capcut on your phone. Let's get started. First, open Capcut and tap on New Project. Then import the video you want to edit. Once your video is added to the timeline, tap on the clip to select it. Now, move the timeline to the point where you want to apply the cartoon effect. Go to the toolbar at the bottom and tap on Freeze. This will create a frozen frame of your video. Next, split the frozen frame clip so you can apply effects to a specific part. Now, with the frozen clip selected, go to the toolbar at the bottom and tap on Effect. Choose Style tab and tap on the AI Painting option. From here, choose a cartoon effect that you like. After applying the effect, move the timeline forward and repeat the same steps if you want the cartoon effect in multiple parts of your video. Once you're happy with the result, tap on Export and choose your preferred resolution and format to save the video. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn your video into a cartoon using Capcut on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.